This is the Geberit TYP290 dual flush outlet valve. The valve is easy to install, it has a simple maintenance procedure and is fully adjustable to suit most cisterns with a round buttonhole in the top of the cistern lid. The valve is also compatible with existing Geberit valves, the Type 250 and the Type 280. So you can reuse the existing basket which is already installed into the cistern. There are two combinations of the valve available. One is the trade pack here and the other is the retail pack. The trade pack is designed as a direct replacement of an existing Geberit outlet valve, and the retail pack, it's for retrofit or a complete renewal of the outlet valve. Everything you require to change the valve is inside this box, even a spanner to tighten up the back nut. This is the Geberit TYP290 trade pack. These are the contents of the 100% recyclable bag. You have the installation manual, a complete Type 290 outlet valve with sealing rubber and basket. You have the back nut which tightens the outlet valve to the cistern, and you have the dual flush button to suit. This is the Geberit TYP290 retail pack, and these are the contents of the 100% recyclable box. Included is the installation manual, a complete outlet valve with rubber seal and back nut, the foam seal for close coupled toilet suites, and a back nut flange. Also included is the back nut spanner. There is a bag of cistern fixing bolts for close coupled toilet suites, the dual flush button. You have a small hole button adapter and a large hole button adapter. For any more tips and tricks or product information, head over to geberit.com.au.